guys! In this tutorial I will show you how to make a floral French design by using the nail sticker technique. It looks very nice in every season, depending on which color tones you use. Now let's start! I already applied the base coat, so we can start now painting the base color on the nail. I use Radiant Rose by Sally Hansen. Apply it gently. Because the nail polish is a bit transparent and I want the color to look stronger, I apply a second coat. Done! Now we can already start making the floral design. You need a pair of tweezers like this and nail stickers in flower shapes. Choose a sticker you like and apply it to the top of the nail. Press the sticker to the nail with the tweezers. Now it should look like this. Take another nail sticker and apply it next to the other one. Repeat this on the other nails too. But I recommend doing this only with the pointer finger and the ring finger's nail. Otherwise, it wouldn't look so soft or decent anymore. Remove the unnecessary parts of the nail stickers and adjust it to the nail shape. On the other plain nails, we will paint polka dots. I paint white polka dots. And you're done. It's easy and looks cute. Thanks for watching and have fun trying out this tutorial.